Namaskar. We are what we speak. They say that words are very powerful. Words can either heal a heart or break a heart. They can energize a soul or break the soul. So we have to choose our words very, very wisely. I'll share a story of an old man who used to spread rumors about people. Though he was old, but he was not a very kind person. He used to talk ill about people, he used to spread rumors, he used to lie about people. So as a result, people used to get hurt and offended. So one day he said that Joe is a thief. So his words were taken seriously, and the police caught Joe and took him to jail, and he was sentenced for 6 months. So when Joe came back, he was obviously very hurt, and he told the old man that, why did you spread rumors about me? I am not a thief. Because of your rumor, I had to spend 6 months of my life in a jail. So he said, I'm going to take revenge from you, and I'm going to complain to the judge, and I'm going to complain to the police that this was not right, and I was falsely accused and put in the jail. So he went to the jail, and he went to the judge. He told judge that no, this is what had happened with me. So the judge heard his side of story, and this judge was a kind person. So he said that, okay, I will teach him a lesson. So he called this old man to the court, and he said, see, because of your action, an innocent man had to spend a lot of time in the jail. This is not right. So the old man shamelessly said, no, I did not do anything, and I did not say anything wrong about this person. So judge was also a very wise man. He told him, okay, fine, you take this piece of paper with you, go back home, and on your way home you just tear this paper into pieces and spread all over, and next day you come to me. So the old man goes away, and he takes that piece of paper and shreds that into pieces and just throws those pieces. So next day when he comes back to the court, the judge asked him, okay, now you have come back, now go and collect all the pieces and bring them back to me. So the old man was very furious. He said, I can't do this, this is not possible, because that paper was shredded into pieces, and now I can't collect the pieces. They have spread everywhere, they have gone. I can't bring them back. So the wise judge told him that, see, this is what happens with words. If you spread wrong information, if you give wrong detail about anybody or talk ill about anybody, you cannot take that back, because it's already done its harm. So you have to choose your words wisely. So the old man understood what judge was trying to tell him, and he promised that he will not hurt anybody with his words, and he will not talk bad about anybody. So this story tells us a lesson that words once spoken cannot be taken back. So it's always wise, and it's always good to talk good about others. Don't talk bad about anybody, don't spread false rumors about anybody. It's always nice to be kind, humble, and talking softly with people, people you don't know. So be kind, be soft, and talk wisely. God bless us all.